Alright guys, we're gonna do this video is gonna be reviewing the IWEEL Professional Pet Clipper, model number IW2691A. So it's a clipper, it's a box, it's a professional. What really good thing about this one is, okay, the whole thing is waterproof, so after every use you can wash it with water, and a really low noise, 2-level speed. The low noise is really great too. I use it already, so I cut my dog hair with this, and I use other clipper and it's too loud and he does not like it, but this one he's okay with it. Alright, 2-level speed, one fast and one slow. They have a digital LCD battery display of how much battery you got left. Let's open it up. So here it came with the clipper. So you press a button. To show you right now is not the battery at 99. So they got 2 speed, one slow, one fast. You get 3 different settings here for the length. So 08.8, 1, and then 1.4, and 1, and then only 1.6, and then 2. So every time you click, the clip moves. Alright, it's pretty good. Came with a scissor, pet comb, USB charger. Plug it in on one end, and you can plug it anywhere, your computer, your phone, wherever the USB port is. Alright, and it came with 6 different parts. Here you go. The highest one is 12 millimeter, right? And then there's 9 millimeter, and then the 6 millimeter, and then the 3 millimeter. And 2 side comb. It's kind of slanted, so it's help you to do better regarding the precision cut. So again, I love this clipper, man. It's only 20 bucks and it does really well. I use different clipper to cut my dog hair, and when I came to this, I didn't believe how it performed. It performed great for $20, and I use $100 or $200 clipper before to cut my dog hair, and it does not do as well as this. So the blade, the bottom is look like copper, but down here, the way it designed it, so it won't get hot because it's actually plastic right here. So that's really cool. That's a very innovation part. On the blade, the bottom blade is metal, but the top blade is plastic. And the way they do it, very easy. They take it off, you take the blade off, and you can just brush it or wash it with water to keep it sanitized and keep it working well. Alright, so to pop it back in, that's it, simple. So you just lift it up, it's out, put it back in right here, and bam, done. Very good product. And it's called IWEEL. It's made in China, and it's exceed my expectation for the clipper. lasts really long. I had it for a few months already and cut my dog hair probably 3 times on this, and the battery would last for the whole haircut for an hour or more, and still have some life left. Yeah, so there you have it. It's chargeable, a 4 to 5 hour charge, USB fast charge. They actually have 4 levels of speed. Oh, 2 levels of speed, but 4 different adjustment. But little Alright, just to close up so you can see. 1 scissor, 1 comb, 1 USB port charger, 6 guard, and a clipper. There you have it, 2 clippers I bought. I will on the next video I will show you how it perform on the dog. I'm gonna cut my dog hair next time and videotape it and let you see how it works. Alright.